Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Government Guru. In this video, we will go through the 49 important general knowledge questions based on the general science physics. So these questions may get asked in the exams like SSC exams, railway exams, banking exams and the other competitive exams. So let us start. The nuclear reactor is an example of option A controlled fission, option B uncontrolled fission, option C uncontrolled fusion, option D none. The answer is option A controlled fission. A piece of ice 100 gram in mass is kept at 0 degree centigrade. The amount of heat it requires to melt at 0 degree centigrade it is heat of option A 750.6 joule, option B 83.4 joule, option C 33360 joule and option D 3.336 joule. The answer is option C 33360 joule. The energy radiance is maximum for the lowest wavelength. It is option A Wien's law, option B Stephen's law, option C Planck's law, option D none of these. So the answer is option A Wien's law. If a body is revolving around the Earth's orbit with its usual velocity, then what would be the minimum energy required to let it escape from the orbit? Option A 2 times of its orbiting energy, option B root 2 times of its orbiting energy, option C 3 times of its orbiting energy and option D none of these. The answer is option A 2 times of its orbiting energy. The pressure exerted by a 760 mm column of mercury at 0 degree centigrade is known as option A 1 Pascal, option B 1 atmosphere, option C 1 bar and option D 1 poise. The answer is option B 1 atmosphere. The laser is a beam of radiations which are option A non-coherent and non-monochromatic, option B coherent and non-monochromatic, option C non-coherent and monochromatic and option D coherent and monochromatic. The correct answer is option D coherent and monochromatic. In which of the following kinetic energy doesn't exist? Option A fired bullet, option B flowing water, option C imparted hammer and option D stretch bow. The answer is option D stretch bow. The unit of work is option A joule, option B Newton, option C watt and option D dyne. The correct answer is option A joule. Van de Graaff generator is used for option A accelerating charged particles, option B generating large currents, option C generating electric field and option D generating high frequency voltage. The correct answer is option D generating high frequency voltage. The surface of the lake is frozen in severe winter but the water at its bottom is still liquid. What is the reason? Option A ice is a bad conductor of heat, option B since the surface of the lake is at the same temperature as air no heat is lost, option C the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees and option D none of the statement A, B, C are correct. The correct answer is option C the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the air is slowly raising the temperature of atmosphere because it absorbs option A the water vapor or the air and retains its heat, option B the ultraviolet part of the solar radiation, option C all the solar radiation and option D the infrared part of the solar radiation. The answer is option D the infrared part of the solar radiation. Sound waves are similar to the waves option A of laser light passing through air, option B generated in a stretch wire by heating or plucking the wire, option C generated in a pipe filled with air by moving the piston attached to the pipe up and down, option D generated by the mobile phone towers. The correct answer is option B, generated in a stretch wire by hitting or plucking the wire. The characteristic of sound which distinguishes a female voice from a male voice is called option A pitch, option B phase, option C quality, and option D loudness. The correct answer is option A pitch. Why an iron nail floats on mercury but sinks in water? Option A less chemical affinity of iron than mercury with water. Option B the weight of iron nail is more than water but less than mercury. Option C the density of iron is more than water but less than mercury. And option D none of these. The correct answer is option C the density of iron is more than water but less than mercury. The phenomenon of electromagnetic induction implies a production of induced option A resistance in a coil when the magnetic field changes with time. Option B current in a coil when an electric field changes with time. Option C current in a coil when a magnetic field changes with time. And option D voltage in a coil when an electric field changes with time. The correct answer is option B current in a coil when an electric field changes with time. Next question is the person sitting in a lift or elevator will experience more option A when the lift is accelerated downwards, option B when the lift is accelerated upwards, option C when it is coming downwards with equal velocity, and option D when it is going upwards with equal velocity. The correct answer is option B when the lift is accelerated upwards. If a ship moves from fresh water into sea water, it will option A sink completely, option B sink a little bit, option C rise a little higher, option D remain unaffected. The correct answer is option C rise a little higher. The velocity time graph shown above illustrates. This is a graph velocity and versus time. Option A uniform acceleration of an object, option B uniform retardation of an object, option C non-uniform acceleration of an object, and option D non-uniform retardation of an object. The correct answer is option B uniform retardation of an object. The focal length of a convex lens is option A the same for all colors, option B shorter for blue light than for red, option C shorter for red light than for blue, and option D maximum for yellow light. The correct answer is option B shorter for blue light than for red. Which one among the following will you put into pure water in order to pass electric current through it? Option A kerosene, option B mustard oil, option C lemon juice, and option D sugar. The correct answer is option D sugar. The SI unit of temperature is option A Kelvin, option B Celsius, option C Fahrenheit, and option D Joule. The correct answer is option A Kelvin. For the adiabatic process, ideal gas equation is expressed as option A PV raised to gamma equal to constant, option B PV raised to gamma minus 1, option C PV raised to gamma V raised to gamma minus 1 equal to constant, and option D any of these. So the correct answer is option A PV raised to gamma equal to constant. The Carnot engine takes heat option A at constant temperature, option B at constant volume, option C at constant pressure, and option D none. The answer is option A at constant temperature. Which of the following is not a semiconductor? Option A silicon, option B germanium, option C quartz, and option D gallium arsenide. The correct answer is option C, quartz. When X-rays are produced, option A, heat is generated at the target. Option B, heat is absorbed at the target. Option C, the temperature of the target remains constant. And option D, brilliant light is seen at the target. The answer is option A, heat is generated at the target. The diffusion of light in the atmosphere is due to option A, carbon dioxide, option B, dust particle, option C, helium, option D, water vapor. The answer is option B, dust particle. When a body moves with simple harmonic motion, then the phase difference between the velocity and the acceleration is option A, 0 degree centigrade, option B, 90 degree centigrade, option C, 180 degree centigrade, and the option D is 270 degree. It's not degree centigrade, it is degrees for the angle phase. The correct answer is option B, 90 degree. A body is at rest on the surface of the earth. Which one among the following statements is correct regarding this? Option A, no force is acting on the body. Option B, only weight of the body acts on it. Option C, net downward force is equal to the net upward force. And option D, none of the above statements is correct. The correct answer is option B, only weight of the body acts on it. The function of heavy water in a nuclear reactor is to option A, slow down the speed of neutrons. Option B, increase the speed of neutrons. Option C, cool down the reactor. And option D, stop the nuclear reaction. The answer is option A, slow down the speed of neutrons. The force acting on a particle executing simple harmonic motion is option A, directly proportional to the displacement and is directed away from the mean position. Option B, directly proportional to the displacement and is directed towards the mean position. Option C, directly proportional to the velocity and is directed away from the mean position. And option D, inversely proportional to the velocity and is directed towards the mean position. So the correct answer is option B, directly proportional to the displacement and is directed towards the mean position. The shortest unit of length is option A, micron, option B, nanometer, option C, angstrom, option D, fermimeter. The correct answer is option D, fermimeter. Fish can survive inside a frozen lake because option A, fish are warm-blooded animals. Option B, fish hibernate in ice. Option C, water near the bottom does not freeze. And option D, ice is a good conductor of heat. Answer is option C, water near the bottom does not freeze. The most familiar form of radiant energy in sunlight that causes tanning and sunburning of human skin is called option A, ultraviolet radiation, option B, visible radiation, option C, infrared radiation, and option D, microwave radiation. The correct answer is option A, ultraviolet radiation. The magnetic effect of electric current was firstly observed by option A, Henry, option B, Oersted, option C, Faraday, and option D, Volt. The answer is option B, Oersted. Cloudy nights are warmer than cloud-free nights because of option A, greenhouse effect, option B, depletion in ozone layer, option C, infrared radiation, and option D, land surface radiation. The correct answer is option D, land surface radiation. Microwave oven consumes less power due to option A, small frequency of radiation, option B, short wavelength of radiation, option C, large frequency as well as wavelength of radiation, and option D, small frequency as well as wavelength of radiation. The answer is option B, short wavelength of radiation. In the following rays pair, which one is found to be naturally electromagnetic? Option A, beta rays and gamma rays. Option B, cathode rays and X-rays. Option C, alpha rays and beta rays. And option D, X-rays and gamma rays. The correct answer is option D, X-rays and gamma rays. On which of the following specific resistance of conducting wire depends? Option A, length of the wire, cross-sectional area of the wire and the matter of the wire. Option B, length of the wire, cross-sectional area of the wire but not on the matter of the wire. Option C, only on the matter of the wire but not on the length of the wire and cross-sectional area of the wire. Option D, only on the length of the wire and neither on the cross-sectional area of the wire nor on the matter of the wire. So the answer is option B, length of the wire, cross-sectional area of the wire but not on the matter of the wire. In the adiabatic process, which of the following remains constant? Option A, temperature. Option B, pressure. Option C, heat. And option D, volume. The correct answer is option C, heat. When a bar magnet is cut into two equal halves, the pole strength of each piece, option A, becomes double. Option B becomes half. Option C becomes 0 and option D remains the same. The correct answer is option D, remains the same. A myopic person has a power of -1.25 diopter. What is the focal length and nature of his lens? Option A, 50 cm and convex lens. Option B, 80 cm and convex lens. Option C, 50 cm and concave lens. And option D, 80 cm and concave lens. The correct answer is option D, 80 cm and concave lens. The next question is, the use of thermostat is? Option A, to measure the temperature. Option B, to increase the temperature. Option C, to keep constant temperature. And option D, to convert temperature into electricity. The correct answer is option C, to keep constant temperature. The external work done is the maximum for the thermodynamical expansion of which one of the following process? Option A, adiabatic. Option B, isothermal. Option C, isobaric. Option D, isochoric. The correct answer is option C, isobaric. Newton's formula for the speed of sound was found to be wrong because of the consideration about the propagation of sound as option A, an isothermal process. Option B, an adiabatic process. Option C, both of these. And option D, none of these. The answer is option A, an isothermal process. At high altitudes, pressure cooker is preferable for cooking because the boiling point of water, option A, reduces due to higher atmospheric pressure. Option B, reduces due to lower atmospheric pressure. Option C, increases due to reduced gravitational force. And option D, reduced due to increased ozone content in the atmosphere. The answer is option B, reduces due to lower atmospheric pressure. A diffraction pattern is obtained using a beam of red light. Which one among the following will be the outcome if the red light is replaced by the blue light? Option A, bands disappear. Option B, diffraction pattern becomes broader and further apart. Option C, diffraction pattern becomes narrower and crowded together. And option D, no change. The correct answer is option B, diffraction pattern becomes broader and further apart. Which of the following pair doesn't have the same dimension? Option A, force and pressure. Option B, pressure and stress. Option C, impulse and momentum. And option D, work and energy. The correct answer is option A, force and pressure. The temperature of the healthy human body is option A 37 degrees centigrade, option B 37 degree Fahrenheit, option C 98.4 degrees centigrade, option D 98.4 Kelvin. The correct answer is option A 37 degrees centigrade. If the power of a convex lens is +2 diopter, then the focal length of the lens is option A 200 centimeter, option B 100 centimeter, option C 50 centimeter, and option D 2 centimeter. The correct answer is option C 50 centimeter. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for such more informative videos. Also click on the bell icon to get the notification updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching.